This is the IQOO Neo 6. The IQOO Neo 6 is basically an IQOO 9 SE Lite in spirit. Like the IQOO 9 SE, the idea here is also presumably to give you a high-end gaming experience at slightly more affordable prices. The Neo 6 naturally runs the latest FunTouch OS 12 with Android 12 at the helm, and it will get 2 major OS and 3 years of monthly security updates, IQOO has confirmed. It also supports more 5G bands, 4 to be precise, which is always a nice thing to have. The Neo 6 comes with a Snapdragon 870, if not the most powerful phone you can get in this segment. The chip may be a year old, but it's easily among the best that Qualcomm has ever made. It is fast, reliable, and very efficient. Sticking to its guns, IQOO is once again pushing this hardware to its limits, squeezing virtually every ounce of performance out of the SD870 in the process. And to keep things cool, it has added a new cascade cooling system inside the phone, which includes, among other things, an elaborate 5-layer 3D graphite cooling plate. The 4,700 mAh battery inside the Neo 6 does well to take you through the day with ease. The phone lasted 13 hours and 28 minutes in our test, which is a respectable figure. Moreover, you get 80 watts fast charging. The compliant charger charges the phone from 0 to 100% in around 39 minutes. The design of the Neo 6 is within familiar territory. You can tell this is a Vivo/IQOO phone pretty easily. The colors, the gradients, the use of copious amounts of plastic, the 2-stage camera assembly, the overall sleekness are all instantly recognizable. The build quality is standard for an IQOO phone, which is to say, it's good. The back has a soft matte, almost textured finish that gradually melts into the sides. Ergonomics are decent, but this is still a big phone, so your mileage may vary. On the front, you get a 6.62-inch 1080p flat E4 AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate and hole punch cutout, same as the IQOO 9 SE and IQOO 7. The Neo 6 has a triple rear camera setup with a 64MP OIS main, 8MP ultra-wide, and another 2MP macro camera. Gaming phones generally have a reputation for having less than ideal cameras. You can record videos at up to 4K at 60 FPS, but stabilization is available only at 1080p at 30 FPS. These are nice and crisp with natural tones and wide dynamic range. Software inside the IQOO Neo 6 is pretty likable with looks and feel close to stock Android, but there are a few odd twists and turns here and there. The Neo 6 is built well, has a good display, a pair of decent sounding stereo speakers, nimble haptics, a competitive main camera, fabulous battery life, and quick charging. This is an all-rounder phone in every sense of the word. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.